Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix sound or audio problems in Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating system. So first I'm going to unmute the volume. If this is muted, I'm going to unmute it. Now the first step is that I'm going to run the audio troubleshooter. So I will open run and I'm going to use this command to run the troubleshooter. So I will provide this command in the below description. I will just click OK. After that, I will click next and this will detect problems. If there is any issue, it will automatically fix it. So now I'm going to choose a device. I want to run the troubleshooter on my device, this one. So this is the default audio device. So I will click next, issue fixed. So if the issue is still there, now what you need to do, you need to look at the second method. So the second method is that I will just restart all my audio services. So go to services and type W in the keyboard and look for Windows Audio, this one. I'm going to restart both these two services. So just restart and just search for other service, this one, just restart. And also make sure that the startup type should be set as automatic. Yes, it is set as automatic. Now this is the second method. If the issue is still there, you are still facing the issue, now you need to uninstall your device. So go to device manager in order to uninstall your driver, the audio or sound driver. So I will go to this sound audio section and I will choose this particular driver and I will uninstall this. Uninstall device. Yes. And after that, I'm going to restart my computer. So once the computer goes for restart, it will automatically install the latest driver in my system. So I will see you after the restart. So my computer has been restarted and the latest driver has been installed. Let me just show you my latest driver. So go to device manager again and go to sound, audio and game controller. Look, the latest driver has been installed. At the end, I will request you to please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.